So here we will watch this prototype for using joystick, infrared receiver, controller, remote, and 1-digit 7 segment display, and it's using basically Arduino, but it's called Elegoo anyway. So first functionality is we can change nodes. So this is node 0, node 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's go to 9. Okay, and now we cannot go up because this is a max node, but we will still hear this node. And then we can go down, okay, and so on. Let's say we want to go to 8, like this. Now we are at 8, and maybe we can go like volume down. So we will repeat the same node but with less volume. Same with volume up, it will repeat the same but with better volume, with higher volume. And then we can play a song using this power button. And a different one using the other button. And also we can play in silent. If we turn on the silent mode like this, it will now just play, show digits but do not play anything. And it can also play the song in silent, which is a little faster since we don't pause for the music itself. And that's how this works for this. And we can also turn off the silent mode. Okay, and we can play another song. And now we can turn back to the joystick. So joystick does similar stuff but differently. So first we can go left, which will be not doing anything because it's already at 0. Then you can go right, and then we can do volume, and then we can also go silent. Okay, wait, I pressed it twice. Okay, now we can just change it, and then when we go like this, it will play it again. So press of the button, it disables the sound, and left and right it changes the notes. Another press, it will enable the sound again, hopefully. Okay. And then volume up is up and volume down is down. Okay. And the remote is mostly functional as well. It does similar stuff but more functionality. Thank you for watching.